For a lower level exam like CET, this is considered to be one of the most favorite questions. Very likely asked question in most of the CET exams. Lower level exam. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to pi by 2. I'll put this as equation number 1. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is how much is the question asked? Let me put this as m. Do you get it? This is equation 2, which means my now whole job is to calculate what is this value of m, right? Nothing I'll do directly. See, in a minute, within a minute I can solve this problem. Shortcut. Equation 1 plus equation 2 I'll do. So I'll get sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, correct? Plus sin inverse y plus cos inverse y, that is equal to pi by 2 plus m. Yes or no? Pi by 2 plus m. We know sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is nothing but pi by 2. Sin inverse y plus cos inverse y is pi by 2. That is equal to pi by 2 plus m. 1 pi by 2 cancels with 1 pi by 2. So your value of m will be equal to what is it? Pi by 2. Straightforward answer this is.